Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How to make price quotation in a dyeing project for different kinds of shade category. Dear viewers, in this video we will learn how to make price quotation for an example. They who have better idea on it, please suggest me if any. Dear viewers, to make price quotation in a dyeing project for different kinds of shade category, first of all, we should know the actual cost for a dyeing recipe. To calculate actual cost for a dyeing recipe, we should know cost breakdown. For this purpose, we should know all of these particulars. That means dyes chemical cost per kg, utility cost per kg, spare parts cost per kg, overhead cost per kg, and total cost in taka per kg. Dear viewers, you will get dyes chemical cost per kg in production department and utility cost and spare parts cost you will get in maintenance department, and overhead cost you will get this cost in HR department. Dear viewers, let our total shade categories are all of these. That means gremlins wash, white, light, that means recipe percent less than equal 0.5%, medium color recipe percent less than equal 1.5%, dark color recipe percent less than equal 3%, average color recipe percent less than equal 3%, extra dark color recipe percent greater than 3%, and black and royal category. Dear viewers, for all of these shade categories, I will calculate actual cost for an example. Please don't take it any negative sense. Dear viewers, let for gremlin wash dyes chemical cost is 10 taka per kg, and for white color dyes chemical cost is 16 taka per kg. In this way, for light color dyes chemical cost is 55 taka, for medium color dyes chemical cost is 60 taka, for dark color dyes chemical cost is 65 taka, for average color let dyes chemical cost is 60 taka, for extra dark color let dyes chemical cost is 70 taka, for black color let dyes chemical cost is 80 taka, for royal color let dyes chemical cost is 95 taka. Now you should know utility cost per kg. You will get utility cost and spare parts cost in maintenance department. Let your total utility cost for last month is 1 crore and 20 lakh taka, and your total production of last month is 600 ton. So your total production in kg will be equal 600 ton into 1000. That means 6 lakh kg. So your utility cost will be equal total utility cost divided by total production in kg. That means 20 taka per kg. Now write down utility cost per kg is 20 taka. That means for each category let your utility cost is 20 taka. Now spare parts cost per kg. Let your total spare parts cost for last month is 12 lakh taka. So your spare parts cost for last month, so your spare parts cost per kg will be equal total spare parts cost divided by total production in kg. Total production in kg. That means 2 taka per kg. Write down 2 taka per kg for each category. That means for each category your spare parts cost per kg is 2 taka. Now overhead cost per kg. Let your monthly salary and wages for last month. Your last month salary and wages is let 1 crore and 20 lakh taka. So your overhead cost per kg will be equal total salary and wages divided by total production in kg. That means 20 taka per kg. Now write down overhead cost per kg is 20 taka for each category. Now total cost in taka per kg will be sum of all of these particular. Sum of all of these particular. That means for Gremlin sauce your total cost is 52 taka. In this way for others sheet category your total cost will be your total cost will be these amounts. That means for white color your total cost 58 taka. For light color your total cost 97 taka. For medium color your total cost 102 taka. For dark color your total cost is 107 taka. For average color your total cost is 102 taka. For extra dark color your average total cost is, for extra dark color your total cost is 112 taka. For black color your total cost is 122 taka. For royal color your total cost is 137 taka. Now if you want to profit 15% for each category, you should your price quotation will be equal this amount plus 15% on this amount. That means 59.8 taka. In this way others price quotation will be these amounts. You can take any round figure for each category. Dear viewers, this was the basic information for making price quotation for a dyeing recipe. Thanks for your valuable time and Allah Hafiz.